Clinical internships are a pivotal step in advancing clinical skills, especially in specialized fields like orthodontics, oral surgery, and restorative dentistry. These internships are meticulously structured to immerse students into a diverse range of clinical activities, allowing interns to refine techniques and expand their knowledge. Training at the Queen's Institute of Dental Sciences or one of our international partner centers provide invaluable hands-on experience. Internships can be short-term or may run for 1 to 3 years. Our tutors are experts who can give insights that textbooks simply can't offer. This exposure not only enhances clinical competencies, but also boosts confidence in real-world scenarios. Engaging with patients in a variety of settings helps to develop a holistic approach to dentistry, preparing our interns for the challenges ahead. Internships provide opportunities essential for any dentist looking to excel in their career.